Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter School. So this is your science class, and in previous class we all are at the chapter number two, that is plants, the structure and the function. So all the students are requested to take out your books and take out page number 11. In previous class, we have covered the topic what is root and what are the types of root, adventitious root and fibrous root, and what is the work of root that root helps the plant to keep erect into the soil, and it also helps in providing nutrition and water to the plant. Now today we are going to discuss about the last topic in the was left, that is okay, modified roots and its function. So we studied about what is modified root. So okay. So we all are aware already that there is a modification in root also, either in the fruits, either in the vegetables, or either in the thorns, or either in the other part of the plant. Okay, so first, aerial root absorption of moisture from the air. Okay, what is aerial root? Aerial root are those root which is present on the stem of the plant. You might have seen there is a fiber. When you will touch the stem up, you will feel a hair-like structure is present on the stem. That is called aerial roots. So the term itself defines that it's aerial. It means anything present in the air is known as aerial parts, and that is called aerial root, absorption of moisture from the air. So what is the work of this aerial root? It is used to absorb the moisture from the air. Still root supporting plant above the soil. Okay, you will see one root which is not properly embedded in the soil, but it is upside the soil, but yes, it helps to hold the plant to the soil. And you will see this, sometimes you will see like most of the extra root comes out of the plant, that is called stilt roots. Like in banyan tree, you will see that lots of roots are comes from the different branches of the plants, and what do, they used to hold uh, they those roots helps the plant to be very erect, because then those type of plants are very bigger in size, so very like tough for them to stand in erect in the soil. So that those stilt roots help them to be they used to provide support to them. Runners vegetative propagation, that is reproduction. Okay, sometimes you will see in a runners plant is a different variety also. You will see in runners plants how actually they run due to help of that modification of root. What happened, everywhere you will see that there is a tendril or the form of modified root comes out of the plant, and they used to hold the that particular wall, or they used to hold the particular floor to uh, give them support. Breathing roots or the pneumatophores, that is breathing, it is nothing, it's just known as the breathing roots or pneumatophores. It's a pores like, but it's a root only. Prop roots are seen in banyan tree, and these roots arises from the branches and they grow towards the soil. Once reaching the soil, they support the canopy of the huge trees. Okay, so this is the stilt root, is a very small root which is comes out of the plant to hold the used to give the support to the plant. But what is the that like the in you can see the like a large form of stilt root, that is called prop root. Prop root is also found in banyan tree, to which helps the banyan tree to be very erect in the soil. Stem. Now we are going to start with a new topic, that is what is stem. And stem grows above the soil. We all know that stem is the aerial part of the plant. The sprouting seed produces plumule. From the plumule, the stem grows from where the new baby plant started growing. That first leaves come, so that is called plumule. And from there, the stem also starts to grow. Length of the stem gradually increases as the sprout grows. जैसे जैसे वो बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे stem की भी size increase होती है. Nodes on the stem are points from where the leaves come out. So very important term, what is node? This is the point from where leaves or the other branches comes out. That is called node. Between two successive node is an internode. What is internode? Internode is between the space present between the specific two node. That is called internode. The tip of this apical end of the stem is called bud. Okay, where the stem stops growing, where the buds comes out, that is called apical tip of the stem, and that is called bud. Okay, you can see here pictures given here, parts of stem nodes, those points of the stem at which the leaves of the bird arise. This part is known as node. Okay, and this is also node, and the distance between two node, that is called internode. Growing end when the stem ends from here it doesn't grow, that is called bud. Growing end, okay, that is also called bud. Bud arises from anywhere, but all if at the tip of this plant is bud started growing, it means stem will stop growing from here. Okay, leaves. Okay, now the next topic is leaf. So let's have a quick reading. What is leaves? Leaves arises from the nodes on the stem. Leaves arises from the nodes on the stem. You can see here, leaves arises from the node of the stem. कहीं से भी किसी भी node से leaf arises start होता है. Leaf blade or the lamina, the broad spread out part of the leaf is called lamina. Leaf margin, okay, I will see, I will show you later on through the picture what are the this part. First of all, just give the reading to this. Leaf margin is the edge of the leaf called leaf margin. Leaf affects tip of the leaf. The tip of the leaf is called leaf of apex. Petiole, the stalk of the leaf. Some leaves have petioles, some do not have petioles. Okay, so the stalk of the leaf is called petiole. Leaf base, the portion of the leaf attached to the stem is called leaf base. Stipules, small leaf structures near the leaf base is called stipules. Types of leaves, some simple leaves, single undivided leaves, blade with the single midrib, and compound leaves are leaf blades divided into many leaflets. ओके, सिंपल लीव्स उनको बोलते हैं विच इज़ नॉट फर्दर, जो उनकी जो लैमिना होती है इट इज़ नॉट डिवाइडेड एंड इट हैज़ ए थिक सिंपल मिडरिव. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल लीव्स. जिसकी लीफ ब्लेड डिवाइडेड नहीं होती उसको बोलते हैं सिंपल लीफ. कंपाउंड लीफ ब्लेड्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू मेनी लीफलेट्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड लीफ. Arrangement of leaf. The arrangement of the leaves on the stem is different in different plants. Types of arrangement are alternate, opposite, hold, and spiral. किस तरह से होता है? Alternate. It may be alternate. Okay. It may be, okay, opposite, just opposite to each other, just opposite to each other, just opposite to each other. Hold means it will look like a flower, एक circle बनाएगा, it will move like a circle. यहाँ से जैसे हम किसी rope को किसी भी stick पे round round करके tie करते, that is called rotation. So in the same way you will see that leaf is formation is in a rotation form, that is called hold. And decussate, just like a adjacent way, you can say like adjacent way. Okay. Okay, so these all are the types of arrangement of leaf, and you will see now see the shape of leaves. And shape of leaves are also different in different plants: rounded, palmate, lanceolate, and linear. And different types of shape of leaves is found in the nature. You like most of the like you can see here it has oval shape, or it you can see here it is a dentate. Dentate means ऐसा लगेगा कि थॉर्न जैसा वो कांटे कांटे जैसे निकले रहेंगे, बट इट इज नॉट अ थॉर्न, इट्स अ डेंटेन शेप. Like our teeth is arranged like in the same way, dentate form. Lobed means like एक लूप टाइप बनाएगा, that is called lobed. Okay, so types of leaf affects tapping, pointed or grounded. Okay, so what happened, it also affect the tip of the leaf. So some has very rounded tip, some has very pointed, and some has nothing. It's just a like a zigzag way. Okay, you can see here what is leaf parts. Leaf apex, this portion is called leaf apex. This portion is called leaf margin. Leaf apex matlab tip of the leaf, and leaf margin means like edge of the leaf. When this is called when. Okay, this is called midwen. This is called midwen, and this is called leaf blade. This portion is known as leaf blade. This is petiole, through which the leaf is attached to the main stem, that is called petiole. Stipule is somewhere present, somewhere not present. So in some of the plant you will see this stipule is the smaller leaf present at the end of the stalk, that is called stipule, but it is not seen commonly. Leaf base, this one portion from where this leaf is start is arising from the main stem, that is called leaf base. Okay, you will see the next topic, venation. What is venation? The pattern of veins present on the leaf, that is called venation. Veins क्या होते हैं? Veins is the like you will see from the mid rib different types of veins comes out, and you will see later on also these veins are divided into very fine line, that is called veins. So in different types of plant, different types of venation is there. The pattern in arrangement of veins in the blade of the leaf is called venation, and veins are where arranged. It is arranged on the blade of the leaf. Two types of venation: reticulate venation and parallel venation. Reticulate venation involves net-like pattern of the arrangement of veins. नेट जैसा रहेगा इसका वेन, आपको लगेगा जैसे इट्स a type of net, but in some of the plant you will see the veins are present in a parallelly form. Might be you have seen in a banana leaf. Most of the angiosperm, there were two cotyledons in the seed exhibit reticulate venation. What is this is called? कि जो भी dicotyledon plant होते हैं मोस्टली उस सब में सारे plants में net like veins is found. Rose, maple, tulsi, hibiscus, red gram. Parallel venation involves smaller veins running parallel to each other. Most of the monocot plants exhibit parallel venation in their leaves. Grains, banana, palm, onions, and grass, these all have parallel venation. Leaves in monocots show parallel venation, while venation whereas leaves in dicots show reticulated venation. So this type of venation is called reticulate venation. This type is called parallel venation, and this is mostly found in dicots, and this is mostly found in monocots. So that's all for today. In next class, we are going to discuss about the more parts of the plant. So till the times, keep revising on whatever is already studied. So thank you. Take care and bye bye.